Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best espresso machines 2021 you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Espresso is a condensed type of coffee that's used to make cafe drinks like lattes and cappuccinos. It's created by forcing near boiling water into tightly packed coffee grounds under pressure. A home espresso maker is also a must if you want to brew cafe quality drinks in your kitchen while honing your skills. To achieve a perfect pour, you'll need a good machine that can produce and maintain roughly 8 to 10 bars of pressure, and hold up after being turned on and off hundreds, and ideally thousands, of times. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Breville Bambino Plus. The Breville Bambino Plus, as its name suggests, is a small espresso machine. Yet despite its diminutive size, it is the best espresso machine for the money. It consistently makes a perfect cup of espresso with little effort on the part of the home barista. The Bambino is equipped with a 1560 watt thermocoil and is ready to brew in 3 seconds after pressing the button. It has a huge 2-liter tank that can be filled at the sink and can pour single or double shots. You can change the espresso settings for a shorter or longer shot, just like many of the best espresso machines. It also has a steam wand that is great for frothing milk for cappuccinos. The temperature and texture of the froth can be adjusted. Some reviewers note that the portafilter that holds the filter with ground coffee can stick after you pull a shot, an issue we've also experienced on occasion. Users who love to be hands-on may balk at trading customization of each cup for consistency, but most people will find the compromise worth the guarantee that you'll get the same rich, nuanced drink every time. On number 4, DeLonghi Stilosa Espresso Machine EC260BK. At this price point, the DeLonghi Stilosa is one of the best espresso machines available. Since it's a fully manual unit, you'll have to do all of the grinding, weighing, tamping, and frothing yourself. However, depending on how strong you like your espresso, you can change the cup size, brew into a travel mug, and make 1 or 2 cups at once. The boiler is made of stainless steel, making this a system that can last a long time. The water tank holds about a quart of water or enough for many cups of espresso and can be removed from the machine to be filled at the sink. Thanks to its compact size, this machine won't hog too much of your precious countertop space. All in all, this is a great model if you want a really good cup of coffee and don't care too much about lots of bells and whistles. On number 3, Breville Oracle Touch. You'll pay a premium for Breville's flagship Oracle Touch's all-in-one convenience, but you'll get a system that's incredibly simple to use and comes with a double boiler so you can pull a shot and steam milk at the same time. Fill the half-pound hopper with beans, lock in the portafilter, and the machine does the rest, precisely grinding and tamping your favorite roasted beans, then extracting a judicious amount of flavor with competent precision. Between sessions, the steam wand also cleans itself. A lot of the magic of the Oracle Touch is hidden behind its full-color touch interface with pictures of coffee drinks to choose from, a feature sure to impress guests. Dose amount, water temp and pressure, and steam pressure are all internally optimized. Set the milk pitcher under the nozzle and it froths without any need for you to hold the pitcher and move it around. What makes this one of the best espresso machines, however, is the fact that there are still plenty of variables for you to dial in. From grind fineness to temperature and texture, there's plenty to tinker with, and you'll also get the option of saving up to 8 settings into memory. On number 2, Nespresso Essenza Mini. The Nespresso Essenza Mini is one of the more affordable products in our top picks for the best espresso machines, coming in at under $150. With an impressive 19-bar pressure on offer, you're not skimping on the richness of your coffee here. The Essenza Mini takes all the hassle out of your morning shot of coffee, using the Nespresso pod system to offer up a massive range of blends and beans. It's certainly a no-frills approach, with no customization options and a slightly longer warm-up time of around 30 seconds. However, if you're a casual espresso enjoyer and don't want to invest in a barista-grade piece of kit, this is an excellent budget alternative. More of the best Nespresso machines can be found in our dedicated roundup as well. On number 1, Rancilio Silvia. The Rancilio Silvia has the look of a commercial machine in miniature thanks to its no-nonsense design and stainless steel panel. And, indeed, this model is capable of the kind of excellent extraction that a skilled barista is capable of. Since you have to measure out your own coffee, tamp it down in the filter, and then stop brewing when your desired amount is dispensed into your cup after pressing the coffee button, it's a great option for anyone who prefers a hands-on approach to the espresso making method. The Silvia has a steam wand that is regarded as one of the best in its class, With a full range of motion and the ability to change steaming pressure in granular increments. The model has gone through various improvements over the years. On the current one, there's an improved, more ergonomic portafilter handle similar to the ones on Rancilio's higher-priced commercial machines. What you don't get are some of the conveniences found on more consumer-oriented machines, like a reservoir that you can fill at the sink and a water spout for easily making tea or Americanos. If you want hot water, you need to use the steam wand. So guys, this was the video about the best espresso machines 2021. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.